Your Apple Watch just got a stealth update, but is it enough? Apple has quietly rolled out watchOS 26.1, a minor update to its September release of watchOS 26. Released on November 3, 2025, this update comes just a month and a half after its predecessor. But don't expect any flashy new features. Apple's release notes simply mention unspecified improvements and bug fixes. And this is the part most people miss. While seemingly insignificant, these behind-the-scenes tweaks are crucial for keeping your Apple Watch running smoothly. Think of it like a tune-up for your car. You might not notice the difference immediately, but it prevents bigger problems down the road. To install watchOS 26.1, ensure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is on its charger. Then, update directly from your watch through the Settings app, or use your iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app, go to General Software Update. But here's where it gets controversial. Is Apple becoming too reliant on incremental updates? Some users crave more substantial changes with each release. What do you think? Are these small, frequent updates enough, or would you prefer fewer, more feature-rich releases? Let us know in the comments below.